Hi, I'm Jenny Thompson. I'm the technical coordinator for the Seg Evolve 2023 Subsurface Characterization Program.
Hello, this is Mike Forrest, retired Shell and Maxis. I'm a geophysicist, primarily seismic interpretation.
My name is George Laguris. I'm a geophysicist with 36 years experience in the upstream oil and gas industry.
Hello, my name is Rocky DiTomo. I'm a geoscientist with 40 years experience in exploration, appraisal, development, and production in the oil and gas industry.
Hello, my name is Andika Perbawa. 6 years experience as an exploration geoscientist. Now I'm an associate mentor for the Seg Evolve 2023 and a former participant Seg Evolve 2020.
Seg Evolve is about learning, and I believe in lifelong learning. The students have an opportunity to experience learning through analyzing real-world data sets.
The program is a 6-month virtual internship where mentors guide multidisciplinary teams of students through the process of integrating technical and commercial data.
Seg Evolve provides an early industrial experience to the students with the guidance from experienced and professional mentors. Student learns how to be an exploration geoscientist in a full cycle of prospect generation.
To help them through the process and focus on a business solution, finding the best investment opportunity in their data set, and presenting, learning team building skills, workflows, critical thinking skills.
Evolve will help you greatly in your career, whether a geoscientist or an engineer. Your SEG membership provides opportunity for continuous learning and networking.
Hi everyone, my name is Claudia and I'm the team leader of the Poland-Portugal team for the Seg Evolve 2023 program. If I can sum up the program in 2 words, it will be inspirational and challenging. It was an honor to be in contact with the mentors and also a good opportunity to develop my technical knowledge and also to develop my leadership and problem-solving skills.
Hello, Seg Evolve. It is Daniel Felipe Dongo from Instituto Superior Técnico, University of Lisbon, here in Portugal. I would like to thank for everything and say that I learned a lot concerning the volumetrics, risk analysis, economic analysis.
Hi, I'm Camila from Universidad Nacional de San Juan, Argentina. The Seg Evolve program was a great experience for me to learn how the industry works and also how to work better with a team and collaborate with each other.
Hi, I'm Florencia Russo. I study in the Universidad Nacional de San Juan. From the Seg Evolve program, I learned what is the job that a geophysicist does in the oil industry and how it works.
Hi, I'm Victoria Mardones from Universidad Nacional de San Juan, Argentina. For me, it was a pleasure to be part of the Seg Evolve program. It was a great challenge that we managed to complete with the team and that filled me with knowledge.
Hello, my name is Elias Makwakwa and I'm from IFP School. Evolve has been an incredible journey and I'd like to say thank you to all the mentors for the thought-provoking and engaging discussions. And I love how this program provided a platform for a collaborative experience in which I gained valuable insight from my peers.
Hello, my name is Samia and I'm from Mozambique and I study at IFP School. And joining Seg Evolve was a very, very challenging yet insightful opportunity. We had amazing mentors who poured a lot of knowledge into us and allowed us to really grow professionally, technically wise. And I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity.
Hi everybody, my name is Nicholas. I'm from KAUST University in Thuwal, Saudi Arabia. I was part of this year's Seg Evolve and it was a great experience. I'm very thankful to the mentors, to the organizers and the sponsors for making it possible. And I just want to say a big thank you and that we really enjoyed working on the project as a team. We grew as a team and we learned a lot. So it's super exciting for us to present our work.
Hello everyone, my name is Agnes Rodayeva And my name is Maria Camila Lopez.
We are master's students in King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia.
Well, the SEG Evolve was an amazing experience for all of us. It was great to work as a team. Also, the mentors were very helpful. They shared their knowledge, their experience with us, so it was great for our learning process.
Yeah, I'm joining to Maria's thoughts, and I think that organizers and mentors are amazing, and I remember how last-minute meetings we are making. And thank you very much for all the things. Thank you a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much for this experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Margaret Adeniro.
I'm also modified.
We are from the Pan-African University, Life and Earth Science Institute, University of Ibadan, Nigeria. The SCG Evolve as a program for us is an all-round program because we're able to learn both technical skills, communication skills, and presentation skills. We are so very grateful for this opportunity. I would like to thank the SCG donors, the mentors.
Hello, I'm Rodiat, a senior studying applied geophysics at the Federal University of Technology, Akure. I think the Evolve is an extraordinary program. It provided me with hands-on full exposure to the range of skills that geoscientists engage in while exploring for oil and natural gas. The learning experience for my mentors and my team members was also invaluable. I've never seen anything like the SCG Evolve, and I love it. I think every geoscience student should be part of the SCG Evolve.
Hello everyone, myself Sakshi. I am a master's student from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, India. From this program, I learned a lot. On the technical part, I learned the complete workflow of seismic data interpretation, well log data interpretation, finding a prospect and getting a best investment opportunity in our study area.
Hello everyone, I am Masood Alam. I am a senior research fellow at CSIR, National Geophysical Research Institute, Hyderabad, India. In our SEG Evolve team, I am working as a geologist and basin analyst. Talking about the SEG Evolve program, I have got some critical sets of skills and experiences while working with our encouraging, passionate and supportive mentors, which includes the hands-on experience.
Hello everyone, this is Latashri Pellore. I am working as a research fellow at CSIR in GRA, India. SEG Evolve program is a wonderful opportunity for me. Through this Evolve program, along with the work, I learned many things such as time management, and I experienced teamwork as well. Thanks SEG for giving such a wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am Iris. I am from Bolivia, and I am at the Texas A&M University, Kingsville. I want to thank SCG Evolve for letting my team and I have this opportunity to learn from great mentors, and also for giving us a chance to be in this big event in Houston.
Hello, I am Hasina Birur from Algeria. I am PhD student in petroleum geology in the Faculty of Hydrocarbon and Chemistry, University of Mohammed Bouguera Boumardas. It's an honor for me to participate in this program. This program is a great program full of challenges and scientific gains.
Good day viewers, my name is Ishola Olusheye. I am from University of Perugia, Italy. SCG Evolve program is a very insightful program that helps students and young professionals to have a real-time practical learning experience in the field of geosciences and physics.
Ciao. I am Muhammadu Mustafa Abdurrahman from Cameroon.
And I am Riccardo Magenes from Italy.
We are students
from the University of Perugia.
And we are participating to the SCG Evolve program 2023. This program brought to me a great boost of knowledge and experience in the energy industry.
Yeah, for me also SCG Evolve was a great opportunity to learn a lot from all the mentors that support us during all the work. This project gave me the chance to interact with people from all over part of the world with different background. If you ask me to describe in one word SCG, flawless.
Many thanks to the SCG, the donors and the mentors for this amazing opportunity. Eshegoni.
Seg Evolve!
SCG, ọwọ́ méjì fèèyàn kan. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Muchas gracias, Seg Evolve.
Muchas gracias, Seg Evolve.
SCG Gadi!
Gracias, SCG Evolve.
Go Evolve!
I found the SCG Evolve.
Muchas gracias, Seg Evolve.
Andiamo Evolve, vamos, vamos!
The 2023-2024 Evolve program will give you an opportunity for experiential learning to grow your capabilities in oil and gas exploration. If you're interested, contact the SEG and let them know, and perhaps I'll see you later this fall.
So keep in touch with SEG and the mentor. Thank you.